But in case you're not, the last time we had a truly white Christmas was some time ago. Now, I remember in 1981, most of the country had snow on the ground. It lasted for about a week. But last time it was on the ground and it fell was quite a few years ago, 1970 for much of the country, 80 for Manchester and Glasgow, but back towards the 60s for many other places, though I must remember in Bristol about 1980 I think we had falling snow and snow on the ground, but it's actually got to be our recording station, of course, to count. Well, at the moment there is snow on the ground. Most of it's actually in the northern part of Wales. There's also some in Nottingham. That'll disappear tonight. What will stay is what's around the higher ground in Scotland. Now, for the rest of Europe, it's also particularly mild. It's not good news for alpine skiers. The snow is very slushy, but things are improving. More snow is likely, and as we move towards the weekend, towards Christmas Day and Sunday, the cold air really feeds down and sets the base for the next few weeks, even the next few months of the skiing season. Christmas Day itself then, a northerly wind is likely to bring showers. It's more likely to bring snow to Germany than it is to us, but I'm sure we'll get a few showers. As is the nature of showers, you have to be lucky or unlucky, depending on how you see it, to get snow at Christmas. Right, at the moment we're looking at warmer weather further west. We've still got this westerly run, and this is moving fairly quickly. Isobars are tight together, so we're bringing rain and cloud into the country. That's why most of the snow will go tonight. It'll come in as sleet on the higher ground, and before it gets there we'll have an early frost in the eastern part. Temperatures are already now below zero in many places, but they are going to start to rise pretty soon. By the end of the night there won't be a frost except in the Grampians. There'll also be more snow up there. As you can see, that snow will turn to rain quite readily. We're going to wake up to a very dull morning, and that'll last for quite a while. It won't be till, I should think, around about 10, 11 o'clock we see the brighter weather in the west. By lunchtime, a lot of this rain will have moved out of the way. Nevertheless, we've got a hang back once again. This is what takes the rain out of the way. Gale force westerlies will bring the occlusion down with it. We saw this 2 days ago. That brings rain once again back across the country. Now the winds themselves, I've said they're strong, gale force. Gusts of 50 miles an hour are certainly possible in southwest England and also in Wales, so they'll be much lighter further north up in Scotland. There's the rain on the occlusion, rather persistent through northern and eastern England. Showery weather though, turning out in the south and in the north. These will be wintry, snow in most places. These will be of rain. Temperatures, well, a little bit warmer than today, 5 to 7 degrees, but there'll be quite a breeze, so don't expect to feel too warm. Looking ahead to Thursday, yet another depression is on its way in, so yet again we have got rain followed by sleet or snow. This time though the air is colder, and behind it I think most of the showers coming down will be of sleet or snow. And that leads us to the end of the week, Christmas Eve, possibly even Christmas Day. The wind will be in the north. Most of the showers coming down across the country will be sleet or snow. Most of them will be in the north or in the east. So the best chance of a white Christmas has got to be in northern Scotland or eastern England.